Use times table facts to work out related facts. If you were told that 14 or 17 times 14 is 238, and that's a fact, you might be able to say what 18 times 14 was. You think sometimes if you were doing your normal times tables and you got one of the more difficult ones, for instance 7 times 8 I always think is a tricky one, you might think of a good starting place. You might think of starting in your head at 7 times 10, which is 70. You might think, well, 7 times 8 is going to be less than 7 times 10, so let's take 10 off to get us to 7 times 9. So 70 minus 7 is 63. We're still above 7 times 8. So 7 times 8 is 7 less than 63. 63 minus 7 is 56. So that's how we could work that one out. So we're getting a good starting point, and then we're moving up or down in multiples of the number that we're examining. And in this case, we're really doing the 8 times table. This one, we're looking at the 14 times table. It's not one we practice so much, perhaps, but we can use the same principle. We're starting at 17 times 14, which is 238. We're then moving on to 18 times 14, so it's one more lot of 14. So 18 times 14 is the same as saying 17 times 14 plus another 14. So 18 times 14 equals 17 times 14, which is 238, plus another 14. I want to make sure we get it right, so we'll stack these numbers up. Hundreds 2, tens 3, and units 8 added to 14, which is one lot of 10 and 4 units. 8 plus 4 is 12, so we carry the 10, we put the 2 in the units column. 3 plus 1 gives us 5 in our tens column. And then 100, there's nothing there. We didn't put the 0 in to start with, but we'll put it in now. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 18 times 14 is 17 times 14 plus another 14, which is 252. So that's how we can use times table facts to work out related facts.